Today, let's learn 100 must-know phrasal verbs in British English. Part A. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up. He gets up and makes coffee. Turn on. Please turn on the light. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Put on. He put on her jacket and left. Take off. He took off his shoes. Go out. I'm going out for dinner. Come in. Please come in and have a seat. Sit down. He sat down and started reading. Stand up. Everyone stood up and clapped. Pick up. I picked up the phone. Put down. Put down your bag here. Look for. She's looking for her keys. Find out. I found out the truth. Give up. Don't give up on your dreams. Carry on. Let's carry on with the plan. Check in. We checked in at the hotel. Check out. We checked out at noon. Come back. She came back late. Go back. I went back to the shop. Get on. He got on the bus. Get off. He got off at the last stop. Run out of. We ran out of milk. Fill in. Please fill in the form. Throw away. Don't throw away the receipt. Write down. Write down your ideas. Hang up. He hung up the phone. Call back. I'll call you back later. Look after. He looks after his dog. Look out. Look out. A car is coming. Get in. She got in the taxi. Get out. He got out of the car. Go on. Please go on with your story. Slow down. You need to slow down. Speed up. The car sped up suddenly. Come over. Come over for dinner. Look around. He looked around the shop for souvenirs. Drop off. I'll drop you off at school. Pick up. Can you pick me up later? Break down. The car broke down. Break up. They broke up last week. Put away. He put away the clothes after washing them. Set up. I set up the meeting. Clean up. We cleaned up after the party. Pay back. I'll pay you back soon. Try on. She tried on the dress. Take care of. I'll take care of it. Turn around. She turned around when she heard her name. Dress up. We dressed up for the party. Put away. Please put away your toys after playing. Brilliant work. You've learned 50 must-know phrasal verbs. Let's move on to Part B. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.